How does this look so far? More
good.
or less?
That looks more or less good.
Okay. I was gonna say, you can't really do less, can I? I can't put them back together.
Oh yeah, good point. Hello.
Oh, we got a dance now. We got a dance.
There's always a dance.
I didn't know that.
When there's food, there's dance.
Didn't know that. Another rule of the kitchen. Okay, we got a lot of green here today, Debbie.
When do we not have a lot of green?
I mean, always, but that usually scares me. I'm better just making shakes.
Well, this is a dish I think you're really gonna like. It looks like a lot, but it's kind of fast and simple.
Okay.
There's two elements that we're gonna work on. One is a sauce for our pasta, which is just a boil, so it's easy.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make ricotta croquettes. Do you remember
Oh wow,
those?
I think I do. I think I do remember this.
They have zucchini, ricotta, which is almond-based ricotta from Kite Hill that we love. Pine nuts.
Yup.
A little garlic and a little basil. And that's it.
I think I know what comes first.
Oh, what's that?
Toast the pine nuts.
Wow!
Let's go.
I actually wasn't expecting to get that right for some reason. I know, I apologize.
No faith.
Yeah, absolutely. We're gonna toast some pine nuts first. Let's do about a half a cup of pine nuts in some olive oil over low-medium heat because they do burn quickly. So after the pine nuts toast, we'll put them in this bowl.
Okay.
The next step is going to be the zucchini.
Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready. How small?
Little cubes, so we don't...
These are already washed. We're good?
Yes, these are washed.
Okay. Cut the top and bottom.
Yep. And then a tiny bit of basil like this, about 2 teaspoons once it's chopped, and then 2 cloves of garlic.
Yeah, we gotta be careful in the pine nuts, 'cause they'll burn quickly.
Mm-hmm. They go from tasting like heaven to tasting like garbage very quickly.
Ooh, looks good.
Yeah. Okay, so put them in the bowl. I'm gonna steal back the oil so we don't have to add more oil.
Is the basil and garlic going in there as well?
Yes.
Okay, I might chop those just so I can get more space on my...
Cool. Yeah, you can throw
How
them
much
in
are we
a pan.
chopping? Thin?
Just a rough chop, yeah. On the basil.
And the garlic?
Mm-hmm. Since we're not gonna use any machinery for this, like food processor or anything, we'll just get it to where it's small enough to mix around evenly. I'll start mixing in the ricotta.
Remember when we first met in LA? I could not have done what I just did with this zucchini. Not that speed.
Nope.
Not even in general, but...
And not with that precision.
I mean, it's coming along.
Yeah, you had like this claw hand holding a knife. Like.
See, your Michelin chef friends would be proud.
Yeah, for
Taking
sure.
the Neanderthal and you've somewhat domesticated them.
No, it's not domesticated to be good with a knife. That's pretty wildernessy badass.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Let's not call you domesticated quite yet.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, I'm adding a little bit of sea salt. That's about a 1/4 teaspoon. And I'm gonna add about the same of crushed red pepper. Make it spicy. About a 1/4 teaspoon. A little Herbamare. All right, now those can go.
All right, we're rolling right now. I'm not gonna lie. Energy's high right now. The vibes are good.
Is it the coffee?
No, it's not. It's the fact that I just fucking filleted some shit with this.
I know.
I mean, I was slicing and dicing. We're gonna have to beat that bomb up. The vibes are good. And those tomatoes look like they're about to get slapped by yours shortly. Okay? I mean,
okay.
What's next? What's next?
For the sauce,
Sorry, I had to get a 1-2 in there.
Slip.
Yeah, slip. Good. Oh, all right.
Okay, we'll start with onions, which are already chopped, right?
Okay, this is the sauce. So do we need the? Oh no, we're not using the
We'll
mixer.
use the same pan.
Okay.
We're not going to use any equipment today because I want it to be super easy that
like
people
that.
can just do at home.
Okay.
And by the way, guys, you can reduce the quantity of this. We're making enough for probably like 6 to 8 people. You could easily do a quarter of the amount of what we're doing. So.
Or you could do double, anyways.
We are going to do a bunch of garlic.
Okay, rough chop.
Yeah, small dice. We're gonna mince the garlic and chop this up.
Okay.
Chop up the olives.
All of it.
Yes. The first step will be the onions in the pan, and then these guys, I'll put some chili pepper flakes, and then we'll follow with basil, and then parsley, and then tomatoes.
Oh wow, should be quite the sauce here.
Yes.
How does this look so far?
That looks
More
good.
or less?
That looks more or less good.
Okay. I was gonna say you can't really do less, can I? I can't put them back together.
Oh yeah, good point.
These little olives, they like to squeak around the knife a little bit, you know?
Don't
They're not
let
as
them
easily.
escape.
They're not as easily minced as the garlic. Exactly.
So that was 1 yellow onion that I diced up, and it was sauteed in 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Okay, I'm feeling good about the olives being minced right now. How do you feel about this? What's your
Looks
energy
great.
like?
That looks perfect.
Put them both in here or leave them here?
They can go right in the pan.
Right in the pan they go. I'm chopping all this.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, I got some chopping to do.
A lot of people when they cook with herbs, they'll put like this much in
Yeah,
their
it's
dish.
not the vibe.
No.
It's not our energy right now.
No, herbs are so medicinal.
Okay, so I can rough chop all this first.
Yep. And the more herbs you use, the less salt you have to use in a dish because it really boosts the flavor.
This basil it was easy to rough chop this. I'm really pleased with my first run at it there.
Awesome.
All right, there she goes. She's going in then.
Nice. When you're making your food, like your tofu scramble or your pancakes, do you think about what you're doing or do you just like go with it?
I'd say a combination.
Okay.
Why?
No, I'm just excited for you to get into that meditative cooking flow where you're not really thinking, you're just
Doing.
You're just creating art.
Ooh, I like that.
Like painting or...
Yeah, I've never painted anything. I'm gonna let you... Oh, wow.
Fold it and then you have less to chop.
Okay.
1, 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour to our ricotta mix. Jovial.
Jovial, I like that word. I'm very jovial tonight.
This represents us well. Jovial, 100% organic, of course, and gluten-free brown rice pasta. Very yummy. Going to add some chili pepper flakes to our sauce in the pan. We'll do a 1/2 teaspoon.
Okay. I mean, we're dialed right now. Pasta's looking good. Sauce is looking great. I don't know who cut everything in here, but it looked pristine.
The thing I love about this dish that we're making is it's kind of fancy,
Yeah,
but it's easy.
yeah.
It doesn't
for
take
you.
that long. So we are going to be making the ricotta croquettes into bowls,
Okay,
dusting them with chickpea flour,
putting them here.
putting them here, and then we're going to pan fry them.
Yep. I mean, look at your guy right now.
All right, so we've got a pan heating up for the zucchini ricotta croquettes. And I'll put some olive oil in and then we can fry those up.
Okay. There it is. You nailed it. Good pour. That's a pro pour.
Okay, we've got our boiled brown rice spaghettis and our blanched broccoli.
Can I make a confession?
Yes.
I think I cut the tomatoes too thin. I know you like chunkier tomatoes.
That's okay.
They're not that chunky.
It'll just be a little different. And now I can see the difference between one style and the other. All right,
Okay.
this can go into the sauce. And you can mix it in a little.
We're dialed. We are dialed. And look at this. Look, I mean, perfect size for the pan. I'm gonna go talk some shit via text message, tell a few people I'm a better chef than them.
Beauteous. I'm gonna stick them in the oven for 3 minutes while we plate our pasta.
Okay.
Just because there's a little chickpea flour on the inside, so I wanted to bind up.
Gotcha.
All right, we can use those guys.
Would you like this
Is that one mine?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, just one.
Where on top?
Yes.
Oh!
That's okay.
Shit. Sorry.
I wanna be Americana, Americana.
I ate it for you. I'm sorry. That was rude. What do you think?
I think it's yummy.
I think it's absolute fire.
Oh, really good.
Absolute heat.
Yeah, that's really good.
Just like that, another episode of The Pro Chef teaching Debbie how to cook vegan food.
Thank you so much. Oh.
And we're out.